Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to find a unique name for your YouTube channel. For this tutorial, I will use the help of ChatGPT. So I will go to chatgpt.com. I will ask him, I need your help to find unique names for my YouTube channel. I want to do gaming, and I am unique because I play retro games and I am an old gamer. Now let's see the first name that he came up with. Game Guru HQ, Playmaster, Quest Masters, Game Wiz Lab, Pixel Pioneer, Game Glide Chronicles, Level Up Legends, Gamecraft Corner, Joystick Journeys, Place Fair Studios, Epic Game. Let's see the second list of unique names. Retro Gamer HQ, Old School Play. This is a cool name for someone unique with retro games. Retro Revival, Vintage Gamer Vault, Time Warp Gaming, Retro Replay Room, Arcade Ancients, Pixel Nostalgia, this is good. Classic Gamers Journey, 8-bit Odyssey, Retro Arcade Legends, Old Timers Gamepad, Retro Wave, Pixel Pastime. This is a good name. This is a unique YouTube channel name. Now let's give him something to. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now let's give him something to make my YouTube channel unique. Let's add, I will also play latest games. Let's see what he came up with. Gamers Time Warp, past to present gaming. This is a unique name. Retro and modern play, timeless gamer, game era explorer, vintage to vivid games, old meets new gaming. This is a cool name. Pixel to polygon. This is a good name. Dual era gamer, retro future gaming. This is good. Chrono gamer, classic and current, all ages gaming, time travel gaming, ageless gaming, epoch gamer, playtime. So as you can see, there are I think there are 3 to 6 unique names, and this is how to find unique names for your YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.